Ma'am, Assalamu alaikum. I am Shomo Shah, student of Daffodil University, CSE Department, Section PCI, student ID 201153622. Welcome to our presentation. Our team member Shomo Shah 201153622, Saurabh Roy 201153540, Abdullah Noman 201153579, Pradhaman Adhikari Rudra 201153677. Today I will discuss about function. In the function we will find definition, domain, codomain, image, preimage and range. Also image of subset one to one injective function, on to subjective function, on to one correspondence bijective function. Now I will see the definition. Now I will discuss about definition. What is definition? In the image we see that two pie chart, one A and then B. Let A and B non-empty sets. A function from a function f from A to B is an assignment to exactly one element of B to each element of A. We write f of A equal to B if B is the unique element of B assigned by the function f to element A of A. If f is a function from A to B, we write f of A equal to B. Now we see domain, codomain, image, preimage, and range. Now I will talk about this. We are also see there two set A and B. If f is a function from A to B, we say that A is the domain of f and B is the codomain of B. If f of A equal to B, we say that B is the image of A and A is the preimage of B. The range of f is the set of all images and elements of A. Also, if f is the function from A to B, we say that f maps A to B. Thank you, ma'am. Now I want to call Pradhaman Adhikari Rudra.
Thank you, Shomo. This is Pradhumadhikari Rudro, ID 201153677. I want to talk about my presentation topic, image of a subset. Let be a function from the set A to the set B and let S be a subset of A. The image of S under the function f is the subset of B that consists of the images of the elements of S. We denote the image of S by function S. So Fs equal T belongs to B existential to proper subset S with T equal Fs function of S. We also use the shorthand Fs equal function of S. The image preimage of S belongs to proper subset of S. To denote this set, here we can see that A is the image of A is this and this image of preimage is S. So we can easily say that A is no D is connected to Z. Here the image of A is Z and the image of D is Y. Also the The preimage of Z is S. The domain of F is A equal A, B, C and D. The codomain of F is B, X, Y, Z. F A equal Z. The preimage of Z are A, C and D. The range of F is F A equal Y Z proper subset of B. The image of subset is equal C D. Proper subset of A is F S equal Z. Proper subset of B. Now one-to-one injective function. A function f from A to B is said to be one-to-one or injective if and only if f A equal fb implies that A equal B. For all A and B is in the domain A function is said to be an injection if it is injective. By taking the contrapositive of the implication in this definition, a function is injective if and only if a f equal b and f a equal function f b. Another way to understand it, a function is injective means that if an element of the codomain has a preimage, then it is a unique preimage. So this is all about my presentation topic. Now Saurav Roy will continue the presentation. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum ma'am. My name is Saurabh Roy. My ID is 201153540. Today I am talking about onto subject function. A function f from A to B is called onto or subjective. If and only if for every element B there is an element A with. On a position, we climbed onto the roof, ran into the Fifth Avenue. Algorithm, there are 19 ways of generating a surjective function that maps two elements of A onto one element of B, another two element of A onto another element of B, and the remaining element of A, the remaining element of B combining. Another way to understand it, a function is surjective means that each element of the codomain has at least one premise. No injective function are possible in this case. An injective function would require three elements in the codomain. The three are only two. Classify each function as injective, surjective, and bijective or none of these. And this other slide show this one-to-one correspond bijective function. The function f is an one-to-one correspond if is both one-to-one and onto. A function is said to be bijective or bijection if the function A satisfies B, both in injective one-to-one function and subjective function onto function properties. It means that every element B in the codomain B, there is exactly one element A is a domain A such that f function equal to B. The function f is said to be bijective if it's both injective and surjective. A function is said to be a bijection if it is bijective. In the example 1, we see in mathematics a bijection and bijective function, one-to-one correspond or invertible function is a function between the element of two sets, where each element of one set is paired with exactly one element of the other set, and each element of this other set is paired with exactly one element on the first set.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am. My name is Abdullah Al Noman. My ID number is 201-153579. My presentation topic is about function, and I am very glad to have the example sites of function. My first function is like a function f from a to b is an assignment of exactly one element of b to each element of a. We write f of a is equal to b if b is the unique element of b assigned by the function to the assignment of a. In this in this example, let f be a function from the set a to the set b, and let s be a subset of a. The image of s under the function f is the subset of b that consists of the images of the elements of S. In this example, a function f from a to b is said to be one-to-one or injective if and only if f of a is equal to f of b implies that a is equal to b for all a and b in the domain a. If, in this example, the function f is said to be bijective if it is both injective and surjective. A function is said to be a bijection if it is bijective. Venn diagram of function classification. A ring chart, also known as a substrate, also known as a sunburst chart or a multi-level pie chart, is used to visualize hierarchical data depicted by concentric circles. This circle in the center represents the root node with the hierarchy moving up, outward from the center. A segment of the inner circle bears a hierarchical relationship to those segments of the under circle which lie within the angular sweep of the present segment of the parent segment. Thank you, sir. That was our presentation. I hope you like it.